Are you thinking about purchasing a home but aren't sure where to start? Well, in this video, we are going to go over the process and the steps that you need to take in order to purchase your dream home. My name is Heidi and I am a realtor in the Sarasota County area. So if you're looking to move down to the area, I'll leave my information in the description box below. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do when you're thinking about purchasing a home is you have to know what your credit score looks like. So the first thing you should do is either talk to your bank or talk to a mortgage lender and have them take an application so that they can run your credit and they can see if either you have a credit established already, so to see your credit score, or if you don't have any credit established, then they can guide you to the process of what you need to do in order to get your credit started. But basically, to get your credit started, you do need to have some sort of like a credit card, a line of credit, or any type of loan like a vehicle loan. Step 2 kind of goes along with step 1. Once you start thinking about purchasing that home, you need to start saving right away. So saving for a down payment, which typically ranges from 3 to 20% depending on multiple factors. Depending on the lender, they'll ask you for either a lower or a higher down payment. But the higher the down payment, the better, because that can help with your interest rate. It can help lower the monthly payment. And also, if you have a 20% down payment, you can avoid paying PMI, which is private mortgage insurance. So private mortgage insurance will go into your payment if you have a 20% or lower down payment. So if you want to keep your monthly payments low, then 20% would be the way to go on the down payment. Another expense that you'll need extra savings for is closing costs. Closing costs are typically 3 to 6% of the value of the home, and this also varies depending on your area because taxes are also included in those closing costs. So basically, taxes, title insurance, the appraisal, application fees, and any lender fees. Step 3 would be to establish your budget. So ask yourself not only how much you want to invest in your property, but how much are you willing to pay monthly payments. When deciding your budget, you should keep in mind other payments that you have, other monthly payments, and other monthly payments on the home as well. So like your electric bill, your water bill, things like that, so that you're not purchasing a home that's maybe a little bit higher on the budget and then every month you are worried that you can't make all your payments. Also keep in mind that lenders use your income before taxes when approving you for a new loan. With that being said, step 4 is to get pre-approved. So why is it important to get pre-approved before you even look at homes? Well, if you start looking at homes that are too expensive, you might end up falling in love with a home that's above your budget, and then any other home that you see is just not going to meet all the criteria that you want because you're already in love with a property that's over budget. The lender will also help you understand your credit and what steps you need to take in order to get approved for your mortgage loan. Also, if you have a lower credit score, they might give you ideas on how to improve your credit score. So like if you have a lot of outstanding debt, they can help you with deciding which debts to pay down first, things like that. The next step would be to find a realtor. You've already found me, right? If you're looking to move to the area, of course. If you're looking to purchase in a different area, I can recommend you a realtor in your area, so feel free to reach out. Contact information will be in the description box below. Step number 6, determine your wants and your needs. So what are those things that you have to have in a home, and what are those things that you can maybe you'd love to have them, but they're not a deal breaker if you don't, or you can do without. I recommend making a list of your top 5 things that you must have in your new home. Step number 7 is to start home shopping or house hunting. When you're home shopping, keep an open mind because the houses that you see out there might not meet all your criteria and it's easy to get frustrated. So my recommendation here is keep an open mind and think about the changes you could make down the road. For instance, painting the kitchen cabinets. Also try to see yourself in that home. Try to picture like where your decor would go, your furniture, so that you can start already thinking about how to make it more homey. Step 8 is make an offer. When you find the right home, contact your realtor, make an offer. Your realtor will help you determine what kind of an offer to put on. They should give you like a market analysis of the home, comparables, so that you can decide how much you'd like to pay for that home. Right now in 2021, the market is hot, so a competitive offer, it's going to be a few $1,000s more than what most buyers are willing to pay, but there are a lot of cash buyers out there that it doesn't matter to them. If they want the home, they'll just buy it for whatever price. So that's another thing to keep in mind too if you're looking to purchase right now. And also keep in mind that the real estate market changes all the time, and it changes from area to area as well. It's different. So as long as you know what's going on in the market, you'll be fine. Step 9 is if your offer gets accepted and you go into contract, the first thing that you're going to do is send the escrow money within 3 business days. Escrow money is just a deposit, basically telling the seller that you are serious about purchasing their home. Step number 10 is the inspection period. So within this period, you're going to typically have between 10 and 15 days, depending what's on the contract. And what happens here is you get an inspection on the home, and your realtor can refer you to inspectors in the area, or you can find one on your own, whatever's easier for you. At the same time, the title company will be doing the title search to make sure that this property doesn't have any outstanding taxes, liens, things like that. And also your home appraisal will be ordered by the lender. So within the inspection period, there is nothing really you can do. You can go to the inspection of the house, but that's it. There is nothing that you have to do. It's more your realtor and the lender, the title companies. And the last step, if everything runs smoothly and as planned, is to close on your home. This can take between 30 and 45 days. This depends on the market and on your lender. Right now, the market's moving very quickly, so lenders and title companies are getting swamped. So sometimes it's taking a little bit longer, but typically it should take 30 to 45 days. If you're looking to move down to the area, don't forget to contact me. My information will be in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, leave me a comment and give me a thumbs up so I know to make more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.